A school incident can have consequences that extend far beyond a single day. It may affect disciplinary decisions, academic standing, participation in school activities, recommendations, or even a student's overall record. When school administrators review an incident, they often consider not only what happened, but also how the student explains the situation and demonstrates accountability. Many students make the mistake of writing emotional responses, blaming others, and fail to help school officials fully understand the circumstances surrounding the incident. So, here is how to write school incident explanation letter, student information. Start by writing your personal and school information at the top of the letter. For example, Michael Turner, student ID STU-45821, grade 11, West Valley High School, 1250 Education Drive, Phoenix, AZ 85016. This section identifies the student submitting the explanation and helps the school locate the appropriate records. Date. After your information, write the date, for example, June 10, 2026. The date establishes when the explanation was submitted and helps document the timeline of the incident review process. Recipient information. Next, write the details of the school official reviewing the matter. For example, Dr. Sarah Mitchell, Principal, West Valley High School, 1250 Education Drive, Phoenix, AZ 85016. This ensures that the explanation is directed to the appropriate person or committee. Subject line. Now write a clear subject line. For example, subject, explanation regarding school incident on June 7, 2026. The subject immediately identifies the purpose of the letter and the specific incident being addressed. Salutation. Address the recipient respectfully. For example, Dear Principal Mitchell. This maintains a professional and respectful tone throughout the explanation. Opening paragraph. Now begin the letter by explaining why you are writing. For example, I am writing to provide a formal explanation regarding the incident that occurred on June 7, 2026, involving a classroom disruption during a science laboratory session. This opening immediately identifies the purpose of the letter and the incident being discussed. Acknowledgement paragraph. Next, acknowledge the seriousness of the matter. For example, I understand that the matter is serious, and I appreciate the opportunity to explain the circumstances surrounding the event. This paragraph demonstrates maturity, respect, and a willingness to cooperate with the school's review process. Incident description paragraph. Now explain exactly what happened. For example, on June 7, 2026, at approximately 10:15 a.m., during a science laboratory class, I became involved in a verbal disagreement with another student regarding a group assignment. The disagreement escalated, causing a disruption to the class and requiring intervention from the teacher. This section should provide a factual chronological account of events without exaggeration or unnecessary emotion. Detailed explanation paragraph. Continue providing relevant details and circumstances. For example, prior to the disagreement, there had been confusion regarding the assignment responsibilities within our group. During the discussion, I became frustrated and responded in a manner that contributed to the disruption. The incident occurred in Laboratory Room 204 in the presence of several students and the classroom teacher. Providing context helps school officials better understand the circumstances surrounding the incident. Clarification paragraph. Next, explain any information that may not have been fully understood during the initial review. For example, I would like to clarify that there was no physical altercation and that my intention was not to create a disturbance. However, I recognize that my response contributed to the situation and affected the classroom environment. This section allows you to provide additional facts while remaining honest and respectful. Acknowledgement of responsibility paragraph. If applicable, acknowledge any mistakes. For example, I acknowledge that I exercised poor judgment by allowing my frustration to affect my behavior. I understand that my actions disrupted the learning environment and did not reflect the standards expected of students at the school. Taking responsibility, where appropriate, often strengthens the credibility of the explanation. Reflection paragraph. Now explain what you have learned from the incident. For example, since the incident, I have reflected on what occurred and understand the importance of maintaining respectful communication, managing disagreements appropriately, and following school expectations regarding student conduct. Schools often want to see evidence that the student understands the impact of the incident and has learned from the experience. Commitment paragraph. Next, explain how you plan to move forward. For example, I am committed to making better decisions, moving forward, and ensuring that a similar situation does not occur again. I will work to improve my communication skills and handle disagreements in a more constructive and respectful manner. This paragraph demonstrates personal growth and a commitment to positive behavior. Cooperation paragraph. After that, express your willingness to cooperate. For example, if necessary, I am willing to cooperate fully with any school review process and comply with any corrective measures or expectations established by the school. This shows respect for school policies and a willingness to participate in resolving the matter. Thank you paragraph. Then include your closing paragraph. For example, thank you for taking the time to review my explanation. I respectfully ask that this statement be considered when evaluating the circumstances of this matter. This maintains a respectful tone and formally requests consideration of your explanation. Sincerely, now close the letter properly. For example, sincerely, Michael Turner. This is your formal closing and signature identification. Student information section. Finally, include your student information. For example, student ID, STU-45821, grade level, grade 11. These details help school officials quickly match the explanation letter to the student's records. Before submitting your school incident explanation letter, carefully review every fact, date, time, and detail to ensure accuracy. Be honest about what occurred. Provide a clear explanation of the circumstances and focus on accountability rather than blame. A strong explanation letter helps school officials understand the full situation, demonstrates maturity, and shows a genuine commitment to learning from the experience and meeting future expectations. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more step-by-step writing guides. See you in the next video.